you need your chat history to be exported to someone or to another platform, of course, you can have it. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. You want to email your chat history to yourself or to someone, click on the three dots. Click on settings. Next is chats. Next one is chat history, just down here, chat history. Then tap export chat. Your chat menu will pop up just like so. You will select a specific contact or group that you want to export the chat log, either to yourself or to someone. Assuming I want to select this person here, then you choose a media or only text or emojis. Select the medium through which you want this chat history to be sent. If you select YouTube, WhatsApp, you can see all of them here. Select any of them. Telegram, yours might be different. Just select where this chat history will be sent to and it will be sent. Thanks for watching. For other ways you can get the most out of your WhatsApp, check the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.